Hey, what's up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do Dan Mace's intro. Now, I'll be very honest, this is a tough intro. This is really tough because each and every aspect of the intro is so properly made and so well made that you need really long time to figure the whole thing out and really long time to make the whole intro. So right now in this video I'm going to just show one portion of the clip, which one is this.
In for one hell of a ride. Bro.
So just let's get started. Okay, so first what you guys need to do is you need to shoot pictures of newspapers like this with 7 or 8 different angles, and then you need to edit all of them in the same way in Photoshop or in Lightroom, just like the way I'm doing it now. And you need around 8 of them, 8 or 9 of them. Just make sure all of them are edited in the same way, and all of them are in different angles like this. Okay, so just let's get into Final Cut Pro. And then export all the images here. And then as you can see that the timeline is a bit long, so I'm going to cut short each and every clip. But before that I'm going to scale it according to the frame. So just let me scale it right around there. And then as you can see that all of them are of different angles. But they are still long, so I'm going to cut them short. Like this, like this, like this. And all of them should be of different angles. So I'm going to just delete the first two because they are of almost of the same angle. Alright. So I'm going to cut them short just a little bit more. This is pretty much it. I'm going to just delete the first frame and cut them short just a little more. A little bit more. And then I'm going to copy all of them and paste it around 3 to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And delete this portion. And then what you can do is you can add a PNG image on top of this. It can be your own image, it can be any other icon or so, but make sure it is a PNG image and that the background is transparent. If it is not transparent, then you can edit in Photoshop to make it transparent. So I'm going to use the YouTube icon here. I'm going to scale it a little bit and I'm going to cut it around here. I need to cut it or cut short it or trim it anywhere, whatever you want, and then copy it. And just copy the clip around 4 to 5 times or a little more than that. And then in this clip, each and every clip, I'm going to set a rotation to around -1. The next one to around the positive side. The next one around the negative side. And the next one around the positive side. You need to just alternate the clips so that when you play back, there is a kind of rotation, there is a kind of movement in the whole video. So this might take some time, so take your own time in doing this. Okay, so this is it. And if you have a normal PNG image, then you can do it the same also, or you can shoot it in camera also and remove the background in Photoshop. So what you can do is you can compound this entire layer Alt plus G, and then you can just increase its speed to around 140%, and then it will look much better. So that is pretty much it. So Dan Mace, if you're watching this, hats off to you. Your videos have inspired a lot of people all over the world, including in India. So if you ever have the chance to come to India, then please visit Kolkata also, because we want to meet you and we want to reach the level you are right now. So please come to India. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have liked my video. And if you're into cinematography, photography, and filmmaking, and all those other stuff, then my channel is just for you. And if you like the stuff, and if you like my content, and if you like the video, then press the like button. And if you like my kind of content, then please make sure to press the subscribe button. And with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy signing out. Peace out.